Hello YouTube, Joshua C here, and do I have a treat for you guys. For both you guys in the US and the guys in Canada. I got some Snapon Tools made in Canada, so let's begin. Up top, I have a nearly complete set of 1/2-inch drive sockets. The sizes range from 3/8, here let me verify that, from 3/8, and you guys can see it's made in Canada. This is a 1959 socket, all the way to 1.25 inch, and this is a 1960 made in Canada. So I'll give you guys a little pan through. You guys can see these are all Canadian. It's pretty cool. These are all 6-point chrome. And the only size that I know that is missing is an 1 3/16. So this is nearly a complete set. So that's pretty cool. Now let's move on to my two extensions here. This one is an SX-3. You can see that on the older models they actually use dashes. This is a 1959 example. Check this out. Another interesting note is if you look at the pin press on this friction ball, it's actually, you don't see an indentation on this side, but rather they insert, or they had like a little press, and it's pressed through the other side, and you can see the discoloration of the two dissimilar metals. Look at that, it's pretty cool. Here you guys can see the same, and it too, made in Canada. And here we have my 1958 Snap-on ratchet, and the part number on this is L-710, and obviously made in Canada. This is actually a fully functional ratchet. It's pretty cool. I'm not sure, but I believe that to be an oil port, so that's cool. Let's see that. And here I have my 3/8 inch extension. This is a 1959. And it too has the same design. You can see, this probably illustrates it more clearly, how the insert's pressed in on the other side. That's pretty cool. And here is, I guess, the most obscure example, a clutch bit socket that's not guaranteed. Interesting. Now, to my knowledge, I believe these were issued to the Canadian Army under a contract. That's potentially why this one's not guaranteed. I'm not sure. Obviously, this happened way before I was even alive on this earth, but just interesting trivia, and hopefully a treat for you guys up there in Canada. So, like always, comment, like, subscribe, and you guys take care.